about viewing the all-new hybrid vehicle of Toyota. It's about celebrating how we connect with people. At the heart of every great dealership is not just the vehicles we offer, but the relationships we build, ensuring that every guest feels valued the moment they walk in. So, now let us walk you through to the features that make this car truly remarkable. The ATIV HEV uses a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with an electric motor and a lithium-ion battery. It boasts a 27 km per liter fuel efficiency, 3 km better from its top competitor. Now, let us talk about the aerodynamics. Our side air inlets here actually reduces drag, and the fastback design and the wheel design also contribute to the top-class aerodynamics, which all helps to fuel efficiency. So now, Don, it's your turn.
Yes, sir. Kitang-kita naman natin, it's not about the styling and performance of the vehicle. Now, let us proceed with the safety of the Toyota ATIV. Ladies and gentlemen, the ATIV is offering 14 safety features. Imagine that. Sobrang daming features na pwede nating i-offer sa inyo, including kami as marketing professional. Let's start with the active traction control. Also with vehicle stability control, it eliminates and reduces the slipping of the wheels so that it added comfort with the driving experience. Siyempre, kailangan yan. Lalo sa panahon ngayon, medyo maulan, di ba? So with the sharp curves, cornering, siyempre, mas magbibigay ng magandang steering and better grip, lalo during wet season. Next, we have here the blind spot monitor that detects blind spot around your vehicle. Siyempre, lalo when you're cruising at the expressway, siyempre hindi natin makikita yung mga sasakyan.
Yes, sir. Yes,
sa likod. Siyempre, added na safety feature niya yan. Then, nandyan din ang ating rear cross traffic alert. Para sa bang rear cross traffic alert?
Para sa
when you're backing up in reverse, pwede ba natin siya ipakita on screen, sir? It detects the pedestrian or vehicle crossing by. As you can see here, nadedetect po niya ako. Diyan sa ating infotainment system. Siyempre, nandiyan din ang ating 360 panoramic view monitor.
Meron
ano yun? Meron po, sir. Basta, hindi lang, siyempre kung new driver po kayo, ito po yung pinaka-safety. Siyempre, pagdating sa damage, scratches, alam naman natin kapag bago yung sasakyan, siyempre dapat maingat tayo. With this safety feature, guys, siyempre marireduce na natin yung takot while we park our vehicle. And also, one thing that makes us proud, as you can see here, our best safety feature, which is the Toyota Safety Sense. Ano po ba yung mga component na yun? Anyone of you? As you can see here, the two binocular cameras, it is your added vision para sa safety ng ating sasakyan. One thing for the Toyota Safety Sense is the pre-collision system. Just to give you a scenario, while you are driving at the speed of, let's say, 40 kilometers po, and it detects an immovable object, it will automatically stop for you. Siyempre, to avoid any frontal collision. Nandiyan din po ang ating automatic high beam. Can you demonstrate it, sir? na every time while we are driving, once it senses na medyo madilim yung area mo, automatic po mag-activate ang ating automatic high beam. And to avoid blinding the vehicle in front of us, syempre automatically magdi-disengage po ang ating automatic high beam. Next, we have here the adaptive cruise control. Imagine with this unit, guys, subcompact sedan segment. Pero equipped siya ng adaptive cruise control. Saan ka makakita na sa mga high-end vehicles ni Toyota lang available yung mga ganitong safety features. Pero with 80, hindi po siya tinipid.
Grabe.
Diba?
Sobrang mura na ito. Magkano nga ba ito? Magkano ito?
Oh, the pricing is hindi pa po namin pwede pong sabihin.
Grabe, no?
Lastly, with the Toyota Safety Sense, syempre, hindi lang naman sa advanced driver assistance system nag-focus sa Toyota. Pumunta tayo ngayon sa basic. Kasi with this, it complements not only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but 6 SRS airbags. For the hybrid variant and the Jeep variant ng ating Toyota 18. So we're done with the safety of this vehicle. Now we will now proceed sa ating comfort and convenience. Let's go here, sir. As you can see po, the 18 offers longer wheelbase. The wheelbase measurement is this area po. So, if mahaba ang ating wheelbase, syempre it offers ample amount of leg room. As you can see here, I'm a 5'10" ang height ko po. Pero pag pumasok ka sa loob, kitang-kita naman natin, sir. Pwede ka pang mag-unat dito.
Kaya pa nga mag-unat.
Also, one thing na na-entice ako with this vehicle, almost 1 liter po ang capacity ng aking tumbler. Pero it can easily hold my tumbler. Siyempre, bilang passenger, added comfort po ito, lalo during long drives, di ba? And, isa pa, usually, di ba kapag passenger ka sa mga sedan, lagi ka nagre-reklamo, like, bakit ang init naman dito, palakasan naman ng aircon?
Oh.
With the Toyota 18, we have here rear air vents.
Oh.
Siyempre, para...
Camry lang may ganyan ah.
Oo nga, di ba yung
Pero
Camry
with
ganyan?
Toyota 18 nga, hindi po natin ito tinipid.
Grabe talaga.
Siyempre, during long rides, malolobat ang ating cellphones. Equip po ang unit natin ito
May charger ba?
ng dalawang charging
Hindi mo
ports.
nabubuluhin yung
Siyempre,
driver sa
ayan, dalawa po yan.
Ayos.
And syempre, dagdag ko na lang din with the parents, lalo kapag gumagamit ng car seat, it is also equipped with ISOFIX with Peter anchors po. Syempre, to add comfort and convenience dun sa mga parents natin na may mga maliliit na bata. Kasi as of now, syempre pag 4 feet below yung ating mga children, nare-require po tayo gumamit ng car seats po. So we're done with the comfort and convenience. Something about sa rear ng vehicle, Sir Archie, ano ba pwede natin pakita
Ito,
dyan?
actually, kanina ko pa tinitignan yung likod. Napakaganda ng likod, guys. Ayan. Simulan natin sa full LED rear combination lamps. Tingnan nyo yan, guys. Pa-check natin, Sir Don. With sequential turn signal lamps. So, ano nga ibig sabihin ng sequential turn signal lamps? Ayan, napapansin nyo, guys. Hindi lang siya basta nagbiblink. Kapansin-pansin talaga yan kung saan ka liligo. It's either left or right. Makikita yan ng driver na nasa likod mo. Next one is the third brake lamp. This one. Yeah, pakita natin, sir. It gives you additional awareness sa driver na nasa likod mo whenever you press the brake pedal. And on top of that, yung shark fin antenna. Ayan, yung shark fin antenna is not just an aesthetic design. It gives wider frequency signal for your radio. So hindi lang siya basta display na ganyan. And then sa ilalim, pakita natin sir, yung 4-eye sensors. The 4-eye sensors na parang button. Hindi siya button, but it gives the driver an audio alert pag umaatras or pag nagpa-park sa patalikod. Na any movable to prevent any collision. And then sa ilalim sir, pakita natin yung styling. Yan, kita naman. The diffusers with reflector for aerodynamic purposes. And ito na yung exciting part. Buksan na natin yung likod.
Yan, ito ang isa sa mga exciting part.
Ito, yung cargo space ng ATIV. Sobrang spacious. That can fit luggage. May idea ka, Sir Ham, kung ilan yung luggage na kasya dyan?
Ano? Dalawa?
Hindi.
Ilan?
Wala mo.
3?
Hindi rin.
So ilan? Ilan
Ito.
kaya ang kasya?
Meron kami props. Actually, kinulang pa nga yung props namin.
Buksan natin.
Uy!
Wow! Bakit may Santa Claus dito?
Andito pala si Santa Claus, nagtago.
4.
Labas natin yan.
Luggages. Ayan.
So,
Isa. Isa.
Isang Santa Claus.
Ito doon.
Isang
Isa.
big na luggage.
Then,
Dalawa.
Next, dalawa. Mali na yung ganyung hula ko ah.
Tatlo. And
and
last.
4 kasama si Santa Claus.
Ayun. Not to mention, it is low loading height for
Grabe,
your
nagkasya
convenience.
yan.
Yeah, para makapag-lift kayo ng mga any heavy items na madali nyo lang makakarga kasi mababa yung loading height niya.
Ayos.
Okay, balik tayo dito, sir.
ano namang meron dyan? Wow!
Ito, sa ilalim ng cargo space na dyan, ang full-size 16 inches na machine cut spare tire. So, ayan, kita
Grabe!
Spare tire niya parehas ha.
talagang hindi tinipid
Talaga
yan.
tinipid.
Hindi yan tinipid. Sabi ko sa inyo.
Oo.
Tapos na dyan din yung mga basic tools and jack. Ayan, nasa gilid.
So, kompleto na.
Kompleto na.
Pansin ko pala, ano? Wala na yung auxiliary dun sa harapan.
Wala. Nandito. Ito, balik natin, sir.
Yan.
Nandito sa side, kung mapapansin nyo, pakilalak. Ayan.
Andito pala yung auxiliary battery sa likod.
Yeah. Ang auxiliary battery is located here in the left side of the trunk, which is more accessible for replacement.
Uy.
That even the ladies or the chicks can replace the battery easily.
Ayos. Hindi na tayo mahihirapan magpalit sa harapan.
Hindi rin messy kung magpapalit ka. Walang langis dyan. Kasi cargo space.
Meron lang ako isang napansin, guys. Kanina pa tayo nagsasalita dito.
Oo.
And noticeably, kanina pa po nakastart yung ating engine.
Hindi nga, nakastart na to.
Pero, meron ba kayong narinig na any vibrations, sounds, or harshness? Wala.
Ako wala,
Thanks
lapit ko rito.
to the technology of this vehicle with an electric motor and hybrid battery. Ganun po siya ka-fuel efficient.
Grabe.
Wow.
Tapos na ba kayo sa likod?
Banggitin ko din yung warranty. The warranty of
Yan,
Vios
warranty naman.
18. The warranty of Vios 18 is 5 years or 140,000, whichever comes first.
Ganon katagal.
Hindi lang yon, yung high voltage battery nito, tanong nyo kung ilan katagal, yung warranty.
Ilan?
8 years or 200,000 kilometer, which is surpasses the value of the vehicle itself. So
Grabe.
ganun.
8 years ha?
8
Alam mo sa ibang
years.
bansa, 6 years lang dito sa atin.
Hybrid
Yes,
battery.
8 years.
It's for severe advantage coverage for other competitors natin,
Wow.
syempre. And then
Wow.
also, the PMS or preventive maintenance system is every 10,000 kilometer. So, may skip ka na yung 5,000 kilometer, so which is lower your total ownership cost. So Ham, parang kanina mo pa gusto pumasok
Oo
kasi
bro,
ito.
ang dami
Sobrang
yung pinagyabang ni
excited
Sir
mo
Don.
dyan.
Sige, pakita mo sa kanila.
Gusto ko lang naman pagyabang yung cabin dito sa harapan. Okay lang ba? Okay
Siyempre
guys,
naman.
dito naman tayo sa most exciting part kasi kayo lagi yung magdadrive nito. Eto yung ma-enjoy nyo sa harapan. Let's go inside guys. So, makikita nyo dito, unang-una yung mapapansin dito, napakalaki natin, 10.1 inch infotainment display na merong wireless Apple CarPlay with Android Auto.
Wireless?
Wireless guys wireless. Coming down here guys, we have the push start button which is available to our luxury vehicles. So, means we have this finesse feeling pag dinadrive nitong ATV guys. Pangalawa guys, ito, napakaganda nito. We have this leather stitch soft padded dashboard guys. Hindi lang sa ating dashboard, but you also have it here sa inyong sidings guys. Speaking of sidings, let me just take over the camera. You can see here, meron din tayong diamond and black piano finish na sidings with all automatic controls.
Sobrang premium.
I also have the retractable side mirrors.
Retractable na din.
Ayan o. So hindi ko na kailangan ilabas yung kamay ko para itupian. Ayan. Next is, pagdating naman dito sa ating transmission, if your phone is low batt na guys, you can just put it here. Meron tayong wireless charging port. So no need to plug it in anymore. Then, coming down here guys, sabihin niyo sa akin, ano napapansin niyo? Anong nawawala dito? So for this Vios 18 guys, we don't have anymore the traditional handbrake lever. Wala na siya dito guys. Meron na tayong pinatawag natin na EPD, Electric Parking Brake. Dito rin guys. So, ang katabi niya is yung brake hold assist. Somehow, same point feature itong dalawa. But to give you clarification of the difference of these two, Sir Don, andiyan ka ba ba?
Yes sir,
ano ba ang
dito
difference
ba?
nito?
Siyempre, to give you clarity, kita-kita mo naman yung space na na-eliminate with the electronic parking brake system, di ba? Kasi kung maglalagay ka ng conventional na parking lever dito, siyempre nakakadagdag siya doon sa abala mo while driving. With this, ginawa na natin siyang electronic. Also, partnered with the auto brake hold assist. Siyempre, without shifting from drive to neutral, everything is inside the brake hold assist system.
Yun. Thank you, Sir Don, for that information. One more thing I love about this car, guys, I have also the auto climate control. So, once na, syempre, dahil naka-leather seat yung ating sasakyan, syempre, pag natutong mo yun at naiwan mo yun sa araw, pagpasok mo, mainit pa yung leather mo, you can just press this auto button and it will cool your interior, alright? And then, one more thing, last thing, guys, what I really enjoy in this car, I have this very comfortable armrest na talagang level lang sa shoulder mo and sa siko mo. So, you are very comfortable while driving.
Pwede ba natin ipakita kung gaano maluwag yung ating armrest, center armrest?
Yan o, pakita natin. Yan, di ba? So, kahit dalawa kayo ng katabi mo, pwede nyo ipatong yung Yun, so, giving back the stage to Ma'am Maricar.
Wow, that was